back to another video. Today is going to be a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be opening my birthday gift that I've been wanting to open since yesterday night. I've been wanting to wait for so long. I was going to do it the instant I got home, but I had a lesson, so yeah. And then I had to eat dinner. So, yeah. My birthday was like 4 days ago, so... But I am so excited because I got a mini fridge. This thing, as you can see, I started packing away at this last night, and I was like, well, this is too loud. I'm not getting yelled at tonight, so, yeah. So, I'm just trying to open this up. I got like half of it open last night. I think the only thing I'm going to do now is just take all of this off. That was really easy. Okay, now I just need to cut off something. I had a pencil in here. Wait, hold on. I think I got it. So I actually found this in my mom's closet, like, in, I would say, like, August, maybe August, September, I don't know, sometime then. Wait, I'm excited. I've never had a mini fridge before. Yeah, don't judge. I have never ever had one before. Let me just tip it out. Hopefully I don't break it. It's one thing I really do not want to do, because this is like, I haven't even opened it yet, as you can see. Oh, it's huge! Oh my... Look at this. I just need to figure out how to get off all of this bubble wrap that I will be popping. Hold on. So I need to get it. OMG! You don't even realize how excited I am right now. It's pink, just like my shirt. Okay, so I've got like the first part. I need to get off this part now. I stretch this out. Oh my gosh, that just made it so much more easier now that I stretched it out like that. It's not opening! Get off of here, please. Come on, get off of here. It won't come off. I don't understand how people can get these off nowadays. Bubble wrap nowadays. Like, we got it. Look at this thing. This is insane. Now, how do you open this? Take off white piece before using. How in the world do you open a mini fridge? Could someone please ask me? Oh, I got it. Okay. Wait, this thing looks so nice. This thing is very small, but I still love it. So let's look at inside. It has like cords and stuff. It's smaller than I thought. I thought it went all the way back to like the back part, but no, it only ends like up to by the handle, which is up here, but it's still pretty deep in. I still gotta look a little bit this, but this needs to become cold, so it needs to have like a whole cold thing in here. I'm gonna be putting like, I don't know what I'm gonna be putting in here. Honestly, like, if I put ice cream in here and it doesn't work, I would be really sad because all my ice cream will be melted. But that's not going to happen. I'm not going to put any of that in there. I'm going to be putting, like, carrots. Because, I mean, this is, like, going to be my snack drawer thingy. But look at this. I love it. It's so nice. It is so awesome. I love it. Thanks to my mom. What the heck did this come from? It said here, take off white piece before using. I think that's what this is. Because I can open it really easily. Like, Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. It's not super duper heavy, but it's heavy. It has a very nice handle. Look at that. I love it. So here we got a DC cord and an AC cord, which I have no idea which is an AC cord or a DC cord. So, yeah. Okay, so I got the two cords here. It smells so bad in here. Oh. I don't want to flick anything because I don't know what is going to happen. But there's like a whole thing back here of like cords where cords get put in. And like this is the off. And yeah. I think what this is well, the thing is, how do you gonna turn this to warm? Like, if you want this to be warm, how is it gonna be warm? Because if this side says warm, and this side says cool, but this on top of it here says off, like that, don't be making sense. I gotta look at the box again. There's the user manual, and there's only like this in it. Only this stuff in it, so. That scared me. There's people riding dirt bikes down, like, in the ditch over there. So that really mightily scared me. So, it doesn't actually say which one is the AC cord and which one is the DC cord. It doesn't, and there's no labels on the cords. And it has, like, no, like, thing on the box or anything. It just has, like, color, what color it is. You know, there's, like, literal nothing except for this, which are the two cords. But it doesn't say which one is AC cord and which one is a DC cord. I think the first one is an AC cord because it said AC cord first. And there's a DC cord. I don't know, though. Wait. So this is this cord, which goes on this side. Warning! To avoid danger of suffocation, keep this plastic bag away from children. Bag away from babies and children. Do not use this bag in cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. This bag is not a toy. Well, to me, it is. And this is the other cord. But I don't know where. Oh, wait. Hold up. Hold on. This one is the AC cord. Because it has two bumps on this thing with, like, a cord thingy here. I don't know if that's in, but I think it is. So, like, then we just gotta, like, untie this and plug it to something, and then turn it on. And then we're pretty much done. I really thought I would actually need help with this, but I figured out how to do it all by myself, which is kind of impressive. And my dog, she likes taking up the entire video. She always does this. She's always in my videos, and it's so annoying. She was with me yesterday. Sorry, I haven't been posting much, by the way. I haven't been posting much. I've been really busy with school and cheerleading. You know me. I'm a very athletic kid. A very talented kid. Oh, look at this thing. I could put like little water bottles in here. I figured out. I mastered. I think, yep. This just makes it 10 times bigger. You're able to take this out. And there's a shelf thingy majig guy in here. And I can take it in and out. Just imagine I broke this like the day I got it. I would have been mad. I don't even know how much this was. My mom never told me. I saw this in the store one day and I was like, Mom, can I get one? It was a red one though, so I'm kind of glad I didn't get the red one. It was, that one at Walmart was like $150. I was like, just like a mini fridge like this. Like, just imagine how this one is. This one was probably like $20 off of eBay. I'm not even joking. I swear, if this thing is pre-owned, I'm gonna scream. It smells like it's pre-owned. But I don't think it's pre-owned. Why? Because it came in all the bags and it came in bubble wrap, professionally wrapped bubble wrap. I think it says, take off the white piece before using. Else it would have broke. I'm glad it came off by itself. Because I never got a white part. And, so it's not useful anymore. So I'm going to take it off. But the problem is, it won't come off. It just rips up. I don't know if my mom wanted to open this like on camera, but at least I got it on camera. Oh my gosh, this stuff is so goofy, huh? This stuff is so goofy. Like, it does not want to come off. Maybe I shouldn't have picked it off. I don't know what that is. It's something. I don't know where I'm actually going to put this because I really want... I like the lighting in here, though. It makes me, like... Yeah, let me hear a snap. It's nice snap. I'll melt your popsicle. Oh. Just imagine if we had to return this. Yeah. I think I would be busted. And I don't think we would be able to return it. I mean, if it's broken, it's broken. We would have to throw it out. Do refrigerators go bad? Can, like, refrigerators break? Like, I know they can break, but, like, mini fridge is, like, can those break? Oh, wait. I don't know if I showed you guys. I don't know. I don't think I did. But I got this, like, a couple weeks ago. I got this, like, awesome, not month, but I got it. I love it. You don't even know. I literally needed to spray this on. It smells. It makes my whole room smell good, and it's just like, I can smell it from here. 3 spritz is like literally all I need. Any more than that, it's gonna smell bad. I would like to make it smell strong. That's why. I don't know how people like the Brazilian like cream caramel one. It's like, I almost threw up smelling that one. That was disgusting. That was absolutely disgusting. I hated that one. Ugh, it was so gross. Sun-kissed skin so hot will melt your popsicle. Oh, oh. And for my birthday, let me show y'all. This is a pencil, guys. This is a pencil. I'm not even joking. It's a pencil. It's an orchestra pencil. Isn't that so cool, though? That is... Oh, shoot. I didn't even know my heater was on, and my bag was, like, right next to it. And I'm sitting, like, right by the heater. It's literally right there. That's nice. But look at this thing. How does anybody make these? This is a pencil. This is wood. I'm literally not even joking. This is like actual wood. It's actually wood. Like you could see the lead in it. You could see the freaking lead. A pencil. How do people make these? Like heat them up or something and then bend it? I don't even know. And there's like a cover thing on top. My thing broke, so my mom like super glued it. But still, when it broke, it was a whole pencil inside. It had like the whole wood on the side, like on the bottom, and then the pencil part inside. I was like, how? Sorry, my eyelashes get stuck together, so I have to do that sometimes. It's weird. My eyelashes are so long. I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna be putting this thing, because this thing is absolutely huge. I did not think it was actually this big as I thought. It's pretty big. It's 4.6 pounds. It's insane. Wait, hold on. That looks kind of cool. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want you guys to get like too close to the heater, because if you get too close to it, it'll burn the house down. So I think it's warm enough in here already. But I want to show y'all something. Like, what if can y'all like see back there? I don't know if you can, but like I know I can. Can y'all like see that? Can you guys see me? I can see the screen, but I don't know. Can you guys see in there? I can't tell. But yeah, it's like really cool in there. I'm trying my best to make y'all like see it. It has like all of the mechanical parts in it that make it work. It's like warm in here right now. In this thing right now, and I need to put things in it. I don't even know what I'm going to be putting cheese sticks in there and a lot of carrots and a lot of celery and whatever we have at this house that's gonna be cold. I was listing like a whole bunch of things last night. Like, what should I put in this? What should I put in this thing? I just want to say it smells so bad inside of here. I'm not even joking. It smells so bad. I feel like I want to wash it, but also I don't want to wash it. The door is kind of heavy too. But other than that, this thing is a whole like preppy vibe thing. And plus, my mom got me the pink one. So it came in many different colors. It had black, pink, red, blue, green, and white. And I would probably appreciate the pink like a whole lot more. That's why got it. Sun-kissed skin so high, will melt your popsicle. Oh, California girls that this could be such like a workout. California girls wear bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so high, will melt your popsicle. Oh, California girls are undeniable. California girls were unforgettable. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot, will melt your popsicle. Oh. Birthday parties this Sunday. So I think we're just gonna like skip and I think I'm gonna skip and I'm gonna like ask my mom for help because I don't really know where to put this or plug it into. So yeah, I'm gonna be asking for some questions. So I'll see you guys in another video, and I will be sending out like pictures and stuff of it, so I really hope y'all like it. There's going to be a picture of it on the thumbnail of this video, so I really hope you guys liked this video. But if you didn't, that's okay, but make sure you still like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Peace.